Hi, I'm Joe. Today I'll be showing you how to find the vertex and other line points on a line graph. Okay, so first you go to y, you press y equals right here and it brings up this. So you type in your equation right here, and you can type in more than one. I'm just going to type in one. So let's say you have negative x squared plus x plus 2. You can write whatever you want. And then you press graph right here, and it'll show the graph. It takes a second to process. And then if you want to find the vertex for the graph, you press second right here, second, and then trace, and it pulls up this, which you can do any of this. You can find the I don't know if that one does, the zeros, which is where it crosses the x-intercept. I think we should all know this. And then you can find the minimum or maximum. This is the vertex you have to go on. Since the graph is facing down, you would have to find the maximum. So you press 4, or you could just scroll down to 4 and press enter. And then it says left bound right here. So you'd go on the left side of the vertex. So up there's the vertex. You go on, first you go to the vertex, then you go left about a few times, and then until you're clearly left of the vertex. You press enter once. A line will show up right there. It says right bound. You go right of the vertex, you press enter again. And then you press, it says guess right there, so once it's going to guess the vertex, which it's not really guessing, it's always right. But then you press enter again, and it shows the vertex is 0.5, 2.25. So that's how you find the vertex. You can also find intersect, if there was two lines, when you find where they intersect, and all these things with that. That's pretty much the main idea of it.